This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Tom Hoffman. Step into luxury and comfort in this beautiful home, featuring a spacious great room. 4 bedrooms, including a primary suite with a walk-in closet. Upstairs laundry room, office on the main floor. Relax year-round in the fully fenced backyard under a covered porch. Save on your power bill with the amazing solar system. This home has plenty of space for entertaining, relaxing, or accommodating all your needs. Located in the sought-after Boones Crossing neighborhood of Woodburn, Oregon, this home sits in a welcoming community with tree-lined streets and well-kept parks. Residents enjoy easy access to shopping, dining, schools, and convenient commutes. Boones Crossing remains an ideal place to call home. For more information,